Hello travelers, so today's adventure is a small kayaking trip. Climb to this hill, a hike, and yeah, let's see. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, so climb this one. Maybe this should be easy and quick enough. That was just a lazy position to bump it.
No, I don't want them missing my ribs.
Okay.
Look at this sexy man. Very lucky. Guess what?
What?
I peed on his phone.
Ew.
By accident. It fell out my pocket while I was peeing.
What?
It fell out my pocket while I was peeing. Is that funny? Are you going to hold it? Going to hold it tight?
So that's us on the kayak already. We're not sure if it's not punctured, so we're gonna wait a little bit to see, just for safety. We're supposed to be halfway in, or that's how it looks like. And I'm really surprised of the length. A little bit further than I expected. Let we go. Last push, I see the shore. Waterfall just there. Yeah. Okay, that's getting closer. Looks like we didn't inflate the kayak properly, or not enough, and it was a little bit sketchy, dodgy, but it's fine now, for now. And that's the waterfall. Wow. Yeah, I'm definitely not swimming in this water. Blah. No. Hello. Snack time.
Can I just say, these crisps are the Gucci. They're the best.
So this part is full of shit and toilet paper. It's going inside, and there's probably many more that come from there. Who knows? Very dirty inside.
I've just taken a video and said the exact same thing. This is disgusting, but I definitely wouldn't recommend swimming in this. There is a burst pipe, and toilet paper is absolutely disgusting. And also the water stinks.
I'm not going for a swim, but I'm definitely going to hike up to the top.
Always bring something to entertain the little ones. He is now going his hill walk.
Adventure now.
He's gone on a solo adventure. He's abandoning us.
I'll do this for YouTube, for the travels, to see what's up there.
Okay, on you go.
Wow, that's beautiful. Nice, so it's beautiful. And then wow, the highlands. Very nice. I like it. Let's go and explore this way.
You could probably swim in that bit because the sewage is coming from there. That's the sewage actually, you can see it.
Yeah, I need to remember this map. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at these. There's so much. Okay, now it's 10 to 5. I'm gonna follow this path let's say for 30-40 minutes if I'm not really going on the like quite top to get a nice drone footage. I'm going down because it's gonna get late. And we're still on the other side of the lake. So let's see how quick I can go up. It's getting better. I'm going higher. So 10 minutes climb from the pier, and we have another beautiful view. And here the water is definitely cleaner. Have a wee sitting space, a wee bench. 25 minutes, maybe 20, just 20 minutes hike from the pier, and you get this. Oh, the sun is so strong. Now I want to go explore in the forest. But my mission today is to come as high as possible and get a nice drone shot. This forest maybe for another time. Oh, that's so pretty. Looks like it's frosty. But it's just the color of it. Wow. On the maps I see that this car park is kind of halfway. So I'm just gonna follow up and see. Probably in half an hour I'll be there's a lake, like a Loch. I wanna go and see. Oh look! Guess what I'll do here? Let's see if I'll be able to squat holding the camera. It's quite tall from the ground. Yes. Oi. Okay, so that's the same waterfall. Yes, so the river becomes waterfall down there. Nice. Okay, so that's the one I wanted to climb. I don't know where's the trail for it. Okay, I'm going back the way to see if I can find the trail. If no, I'll give enough for today. Come another time. Okay, so if I'm right, I need to go back to the car park and then head the opposite way to see if there's any path to go up. Oh, a mouse. Hey, mouse. Oh yeah, I spoke with Amy about the time that we have, and yeah, her phone is dying. They're hungry, and this is gonna take at least 2.5 hours to go up and down. So I'll just send the drone, see if I can get some nice footage from there. No, I won't take a defeat today. That's it. I'll see what I can do next time. Wow, so nice. Wow, this is very tall. The biggest everything in life. I'm bringing it home, and we go sailing back to home. Okay, that's the end of my adventure. I think I see, that's them. That's the boat. We need to go there. I think that's 35 minutes. Oh, he almost fell. He'll be there. There are people that just swam, went swimming there. They don't know about the pool.
That is us leaving. We had to walk out quite a bit. Whoa! We had to walk out quite a bit of from the shore to get in because it's quite shallow here. Now we're going to go over there. Back to the car. The ducks are scared, that's why, because they get hit by the boat. Yeah, they're just scared. I thought you were sleeping. Were you just joking?
No.
Where?
Came just on time. This is punctured. Hee.
Have you had a good day?
Yeah.
How good?
Hey, good.
Now the fun part of having to dry the kayak and fold it up. There's a baby shark down there. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. We hope you liked our first YouTube video. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye!